Have you ever dreamt of waking up to an amazing view? Stepping onto your veranda or balcony to see nature's artwork unfold right before your eyes that takes your breath away. A place where serenity flows freely, and the only sounds you hear are those of the natural world that brought peace to your heart and soul. Let me take you on a journey to experience some of the most stunning vistas captured from this perfect perch. An ocean view. A view that has captivated hearts for centuries. Imagine standing here, feeling the salty breeze on your face as the rhythmic sound of waves soothes your soul. The ocean has a way of pulling us in, reminding us of the vastness of the world and the endless possibilities that lie beyond the horizon. Whether it's sunrise or sunset, every moment here feels like a living painting. Could you see yourself here, starting your day with this view? Or perhaps winding down at dusk with the colors of the sky blending into the sea. Now, let's follow the sound of flowing water. Rivers and streams remind us of life's journey, always moving, always carving their way forward. This veranda overlooks a river that dances through the forest, its waters glinting under the sun. Birds sing in the trees, and the gentle rush of the current creates a melody that never grows old. There's something meditative about watching a river flow. It feels like time slows down, and you can simply be in the moment. A view like this is nature's therapy. Serene Lake, a tranquil lake, its surface sparkling under the sunlight. The lake's stillness mirrors the surrounding beauty, as if nature itself is pausing to admire the view. You can almost feel the coolness of the water and hear the gentle ripples as the breeze dances across the surface. It's a perfect place to reflect, unwind, and reconnect with the simplicity of life. Imagine sitting here on the veranda, watching the day unfold as the lake becomes a mirror for the changing colors of the sky. Morning mist, midday sparkle, and evening reflections. It's a scene that transforms with every hour. Next, we'll visit one of nature's most awe-inspiring sights, a waterfall. From this veranda, you can feel the power and beauty of water in motion. The mist rises as the water crashes down into the pool below, creating rainbows when the sunlight hits just right. The roar of the falls is a reminder of nature's strength, yet it brings a calming presence at the same time. Let's climb a little higher. Welcome to the mountains. Something is humbling about being surrounded by these towering giants, filled with lush trees. From this veranda, you can feel the crisp, cool air, hear the rustling of pine trees, and see the sunlight slowly creeping across the peaks as the day begins. Every season brings its own beauty here. The snow glistening in winter, wildflowers blooming in spring, and golden leaves cascading in autumn. Imagine sipping your morning coffee here, watching the mist roll through the valley. It's not just a view, it's peace, wrapped in nature's embrace. Beyond the mountain, the valley opens up like a story waiting to be told. Rolling hills rise and fall in gentle waves, their greenery blending seamlessly with the horizon. It's a view that reminds you of nature's grandeur, vast, timeless, and humbling. The valley feels like a gateway to endless possibilities, its beauty shifting with the light of day. At sunrise, it glows with a soft golden hue, and at sunset, it's painted in warm, fiery tones. Each moment spent looking out over this valley feels like a gift, a reminder of how breathtakingly beautiful the world can be. From this vantage point, the tropical garden feels alive, a celebration of nature's vibrancy. Towering palms sway gently in the breeze, their leaves casting dappled shadows across the ground. Exotic blooms in shades of orange, pink, and yellow add splashes of color to the greenery. Listen closely, and you'll hear the hum of life, birds chirping, butterflies fluttering, and the rustling of leaves. Every corner of this garden invites you to pause, breathe, and simply enjoy the beauty that surrounds you. This tropical garden is more than just a view. It's a living, breathing sanctuary, teeming with life and wonder. Then we arrive at the magic hour, sunset, a moment that never fails to captivate us, no matter where we are. From this balcony, the view transforms into a masterpiece every evening. The sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in colors so vivid they don't seem real. The day's warmth fades, leaving behind a gentle, cool breeze. It's a reminder to pause, breathe, and appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. Every sunset is different, yet each one feels like a gift. Lastly, standing on a balcony, gazing out at a city that comes alive under the cover of night, where sparkling lights stretch endlessly across the horizon, illuminating the view like a sea of stars. This is the magic of the city at night, a stunning tapestry of light and life, a sight that stirs the soul and fills the heart with wonder. From this balcony, the city skyline becomes a work of art. The towering skyscrapers, standing proud and tall, reflect the pulse of life in this urban oasis. Each light tells a story of bustling offices, cozy apartments, and dreams being brought to life in the heart of the city. The way the lights dance against the midnight sky feels almost otherworldly, as though the stars themselves have descended to meet the earth. This view reminds us of the endless possibilities that cities offer, where ambition meets creativity, and every corner holds its own charm. Every glance at this view feels like discovering something new, a hidden corner, a fleeting moment, or a quiet reminder of how beautiful life can be when we take the time to admire it. These stunning views remind us of the power and serenity that nature brings into our lives. It offers a perfect blend of urban wonder and natural beauty. Whether it's the endless ocean, majestic mountains and valleys, the calming sound of flowing water and the serenity of the lake, or the breathtaking view of the sunset, tropical garden, and the city light. Each view tells its own story, offering peace, inspiration, and wonder. Let this moment remind you of the beauty that surrounds us, waiting to be cherished. A view like this isn't just seen, it's felt. It's more than just a sight, it's an experience. From the first light of dawn to the quiet moments of dusk, this veranda offers a front row seat to nature's most stunning performance. If this touched your heart, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite part of this stunning scenery. There's more beauty where this came from, and we'd love to share it with you. Thank you for joining us. We'll continue bringing you more of the world's most beautiful vistas, right from the veranda and balcony. Until next time, stay inspired by the beauty around you. This is a sweet escape to paradise.